Now we know about in Markdown language how to write the headings. Second one is available emphasis, that is nothing but importance. While you're reading the newspaper, you might be seeing some of things are bolded, some of things are written in the italic, some of things are written in the strikeout. That shows the importance of that particular word, that particular word. If I want to go for bold, then I have to use two stars in front of the word after the word, or two underscores in front of the word or after the word. That's how if you do, you will get bold. Strong emphasis, that is nothing but it is a very important thing. Strong emphasis means what? It is a very important thing. Then we have to go for double stars, we have to go. It is a mid-range important, then we are going for single star we are going. It is not used right now. We want to strike through it. Then you can write here two times the tilt symbol we have to write here. Let us see how we can do this one practically. Let us try to observe it. Okay. I am trying to write here importance as part of that one technically called as, what is this? Emphasis. This one I want as a heading. So I used here single hash, then I written the heading I written. So in the Markdown language, the second point, what we are trying to learn about it. We learned the first point is about what? Headings. Now I want in this one, bold I want to write here. Bold I want, let's say subheading 2.1 I am writing. This is a bold I wanted, for example. Bold means all you have to write is two stars you have to put it. So let us say I'm putting two stars. It is very important. Very important. Then we are writing here two stars, we are writing here. Then go here and try to change this one into the Markdown language. Then enter. I mean shift plus enter. What is showing here? It is very important. Now prefix and postfix, prefix and postfix with how many stars? With two stars. That's what I are doing. Then automatically it is coming as important. Now suppose if it is not very, it is important, let us say. Then we have to use here single star, we have to use it. It is low important. It is low important only, but it is a low important. Then prefix and postfix with single star. With single what? Star, we have to do it. So did you notice or not, the letters are slightly came as italic or not? Slightly came as italic. Okay, if I want one space here, you can write here one line, you can write it so that separate lines we are going to get it. If I want to strike throughout, then we have to use tilt symbols, we have to use it. Like this, tilt symbols. Do not use this antibiotic medicine. Okay, medicine, something we are trying to write here, then automatically it comes as a strike through. You should not leave any spaces. If you leave spaces, you won't get here any strike through. So generally doctors are suggesting don't use too much of antibiotics. It's surely required, then only use it, right? That's what we are saying as striking out. Don't use it. Something like that. Importance, if we want to tell anywhere, we are going to use bold, or we are going to use sorry, or we are going to use italic, or we are going to use, what is that? Strike through. These are the three things what we are trying to use it. Bold, then next is what? Italic, next is what? Strike it. These are the three functionalities what you need to learn about it. Okay, please have a look on it.